Hi folks, welcome back to our video tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to update the tagline in your website. Let me just switch over to our demonstration page so we can show you what we're talking about. At the top of your page, usually located right underneath your text logo or your website name, is this little primary tagline right here. The reason we're doing a video is typically when I do a custom site or help a customer, once you make a change to the website name text, you may want to align the primary tagline a little bit differently so that it lines up with the new text for your website name. So I want to demonstrate how to do that so you can get the exact look that you're after when you update these two components. So let's jump into Dreamweaver and let's open up the library, the shared folder, and the tagline LBI page. Updating the primary tagline is as simple as selecting the existing text and typing in "here's my new tagline." Now, this particular bit of text is also formatted as a heading 4 or an H4 tag. If for any reason when you retype the information it loses its formatting, I would suggest for search engine purposes that you just simply select the text once again, go to the formatting toolbar and apply the heading 4 tag. That way it's going to give you a little bit more relevance with search engine optimization. When you're done, simply save the page and it'll update all the pages that use that particular component in your site, which are, I think, pretty much all the pages included in the template package. Now I wanted to jump right back to our demonstration page just to see where we ended up at. Here's my new tagline. Let's say we wanted to have this particular bit of text sort of end in line with the end of our logo. I want to show you how to do that. So we'll jump back into Dreamweaver, and now we can start having a little bit of fun by positioning these different components exactly where we want them to be displayed in the page. All right, once our page is finished updating, we'll just click close, and now we're going to dive into the site styles.css page. We're going to scroll down to find the header components section, which is right about here. And we're going to look for the tagline component right here. As you see, we have a top position and a left position. Both of these we can manipulate to change where our text ends up. In this particular case or example, we want the "here's my tagline" to actually end up right at the end of website name, just as an example. To do that, we would change the left positioning. 190, it's 190 right now. We're just going to select the number and let's bump that up to, I'm going to guess at 350, and let's make sure that we leave the PX in there. If not, it's not going to display, or the style sheet will not be read correctly and the browser will not know where to position it. So make sure PX remains after you've typed in the number. And we're just going to save the style sheet, jump right back to our browser, hit the refresh button, and there it is right there. That's a pretty good guess actually. I'd probably move it over 2 more pixels and that's about it. So that is a demonstration. We can show you how to move the different components in the header of your page to line up with each other to get a certain look that may be a little bit different than the default that came with the template. Especially as you change the information. You have the flexibility to rearrange that information to whatever suits you.